We have learned about how to install Python in the last video. In this video, we will learn about how to install PyCharm IDE in Windows. PyCharm is one of the popular IDE for Python. In this entire course, we are going to use PyCharm since it has a lot of useful features for Python development and learning. Let's start installing PyCharm. Go to the Chrome browser, type PyCharm in the address bar, click the first link from the search result. It will take you to the official PyCharm website. Click the download button. It will take you another page to select the operating system and type. Select the appropriate OS that you have. I have Windows, so I am selecting Windows. Python has two products, one is professional and another is community. Professional edition is paid and has 30 days free trial. Community is free and open source. I am downloading the community version. It started downloading. Double click on the downloaded executable. And once you have the installation screen, click next. Select the folder you need to install PyCharm and click next. You will be presented with 4 options. I am selecting the create desktop option and create an association option. The first option will create a shortcut on the desktop. The second option is if you have any .py file, it will be opened with PyCharm. Click next so that PyCharm will start installing. After installing, click finish. Since we created the desktop shortcut, click on it. It will start loading. If you have installed PyCharm previously, you can import the settings from the previous version. Otherwise, select do not import setting. Click OK. You can select the theme dark or light. I am selecting dark and click next. PyCharm home will be presented. Click create new project. Change the location if you need. I am using default location and creating the project name as Hello World. If you expand the project interpreter, there will be advanced option. Select the existing interpreter and click the 3 dots. There will be 4 options. Select the system interpreter. So that we can use the Python that we have already installed. Installed Python will be auto selected and click OK. The existing interpreter will be select Python 3.8. Click create. It will create a Hello World project and now let's run and see everything fine. Okay. Right click on the Hello World project from Project Explorer and click New. Click New. Go to the Python file and create a new file named hello. It will create a file named hello.py. We will print hello world. So I am typing print hello world. To run the program, go to the run menu and click run submenu. It will present you will hello. Click run. It will run the program and show the output in the run window. Okay, let's learn about Python variable in the next video. Thank you.